right, this is a Thursday recap video. There's not a lot actually to cover. I mean, we had the market come open here at the 6 o'clock, and then we're looking at coming at the end of the day. This 12-hour window, price action basically just stayed flat through here. If we wanted to look at kind of a trend, I mean, you're kind of going through this area. And then we had the bottom trend through here. This is from the day before, the night before, coming into the day. As you can see, that there not a lot of price action throughout the day that you could have really looked at trading. It was just a lot of sideways. So on today, there wasn't any trades that you could have got into with using the 15. The one trade that you could have looked at, which would have been even hard, is because it stayed inside this pattern here and you didn't get the break till here. That's what you'd be kind of looking at, but it didn't. What we like to see is it to start to break out, then kind of come back, or even come up and then also reverse. So if you had this pattern on here, through here, you had this drawn on here, and beforehand, and you were looking at price action, when this broke out, you could have looked at the back test and then look for a trade up. But you can see that when it back tested here, it didn't have any continuation. So that would have been a retest of the breakout. That's what you saw right here, breakout of this current pattern that we were in. It broke out, came back, tested, which, like I said, could have give you an entry. The downfall is just nothing panned out. It's just kind of a quiet lazy day. So if you're trying to make a trade, that would have been kind of the trade you're looking for. The rest of the time, as it broke back in, it's just stair stepping down. We'll have to kind of see how it trades into tonight. It does show some behavior of continue to break down, but we'll have to see just how price action behaves with the 21 here, and then using the other time frames. But when you see stuff like this today, it's where you got to be careful about forcing trades and stick to your system. There is definitely always, every day there's actually a trade in the market. It's just it doesn't fit your system. So with this, what we're showing you on recaps is within the 15-minute, and this window of 12 hours is what we're looking for a trade. And like I said, there isn't one. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the high, mark the low, and then I'm going to go ahead and look at after we'll get through this time frame of the 1800 6 p.m. and see how it moves from there.